Friday nights are pasta nights in our house because it's easy and it's quick. The thing is that you run out of sauces sometimes, so I'm making one that I sort of borrowed from a TikToker, an Instagrammer rather, where she roasts all these vegetables in a pan in the oven and then purees them, and it looks amazing and it actually tastes even better. So let's go. So step one, we get some baking paper and line our pot. And the reason we do this will become apparent later. We get our zucchinis and we chop. So I'm just going to do nice big chunks of zucchini. Throw the zucchini in. There is nothing better, I don't think, than an all veggie pasta, because you get that filling, beautiful, comforty feel from the pasta, and having an all veggie sauce just makes you feel that bit better. Okay, next, eggplant. Now, what we're doing with the eggplant is we are going to just halve it like this, and we're going to score it. The reason being, it helps it cook quicker, and we're going to drizzle oil on it so the oil will go through into the eggplant. I can put that other zucchini in there. So we're going to put that face down, okay? So it doesn't dry out. There we go. We get an onion, great big old onion, big brown one. You can use a purple one if you like. And we're just going to put that in chunks. We're not going to worry too much about how we chop that up. Throw that in. Okay, there we go. We get capsicum. We cut it in half, like this. Take out the seeds. So what I'm going to do is shove this garlic in here. Whoop. Badoop. Badoop. Shove that in there like that. That one in there like that.
Why do you do that as opposed to just put the garlic in?
Oh, because the moisture from this will soak in and help the garlic we'll keep it a bit moist. Right? Right, look at this. Tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, big fat babies. Oh my God. Okay, so now what we're doing is we're going to drizzle the whole lot with oil and a bit of salt. I promise you, you will not regret the 40 minutes it's going to take to cook. You just need a bit of pre-planning, that's all. I've got my oven on. In it goes, 35, 40 minutes. Look out, Dougie. He's like, what the hell's going on here? Okay, let's have a look inside. Woo-hoo, look at that. I'll get onto that in a minute. In the meantime, what we're going to do is get our rigatoni in the pot. Okay, let's have a look. What do we got? 13 minutes. So, because we're not cooking this sauce, we're actually going to leave this in the water for 30 minutes. Now, this water is salted and rolling boil. In it goes. Always give it a bit of a stir. Just going to put that lid on and bring the heat back up. Hey Siri, 13 minutes. First thing we're doing is removing this paper. Alrighty. Next, we're going to get this eggplant and scoop out the middle of it. Look how much juice is in there. We don't need to add any juice. All right, we're just scraping that out. Okay, look at this, the amount of juice that's in this pot from the vegetables. Whoop. We don't want the skin in there too much. Okay. All right, now what we're going to do is pulverize it. If you don't have a stick blender like this, you can use just a milkshake maker blender. Just do it in batches if it's too much. Look at this sauce. Okay, so you want to really make sure you grind up all those bits. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Let's thin it out with a little bit of pasta water. Give it a bit of a stir. Oh, yum. Oh my goodness. There's still a few chunky bits. I don't mind that. I'm going to scoop that pasta straight into the pot. Oh, beepers going off everywhere. Oh, this is a great Friday night pasta. All right, let's give it a big stir around. Oh my goodness me. So that is it. I just now, just because I can, I'm going to add a bit of cheese. Just a bit. Oh, yummy. And then I'm going to serve it up with a little bit of torn basil. How's that? Yes, that's right. You know what that is? Gentle. Delicate, really. Quite light. Oh my goodness, but the taste, the flavour is all there. Nothing overpowers anything. They all kiss each other. Yum. And in that rigatoni, because you've got to have a big pasta with this. Perfect. Buon appetito.